Hey, welcome back to Miss Morgan's room. Another unboxing video today. We are going to unbox a package from John Green and his Crash Course Don't Forget to Be Awesome website. Okay, it's very special today, and I've been waiting weeks to do this because I wanted to have my class 5, at least some of the students, be in the video, because one day when I might not have been talking about world history, one of them gave me the idea to do an unboxing video, and I thought it was great. One of my purposes of having them in the background is to let other teachers know you never know how your students might inspire you. So you should always be you should always be open to inspirations from your students. Okay, so this has been a long-awaited unboxing or unpackaging from dftba.com. So here we go. I actually don't even remember everything that I got because it's been so long, but I cannot wait to open this stuff. All right, so first we have a poster. Okay, very conveniently packaged. This is for my civics class for next year. I will not be teaching any more world history. We are transitioning to civics. I got this awesome, it looks very informative, U.S. government poster. Okay, I think some more exciting things are in store inside though. Oh, this is like a double unboxing or packaging because of the packaging that they put these items in. All right, this is like stickers or something, if I remember correctly. All right, I'm going to recycle this because I think recycling is important. Oh my gosh, yes. So DFTBA sticker, Crash Course sticker to match my shirt. We have a bunch of stickers. I don't know where I'm going to put these because these are very special. All sorts of Crash Course items. Those were upside down. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. I highly recommend the Crash Course videos. If you're a teacher, you may have to use closed captioning so your students can follow along, but they're very funny. And then we have a bunch of DFTBA stickers, more than I really need, but how could I resist them? I couldn't. So we have here, more, and then even more world history stickers. All the Mongols on this one, I think. So I wanted to squeeze this in before the last period bell rang. It's a Friday. And does anyone have, I think that's all I wanted to say. And that's it.
Wait, can we like sing a song before?
Sing a song?
Yeah.
What song?
Yeah.
Maybe another time. We didn't plan a song to sing. I would like to thank. Okay. I would like to thank all of my students who were willing to be in this video. If you weren't, no big deal too. Class, so where I get some of my ideas for the starting and ending lines is from my students because they often have a lot of great ideas. Okay? This is from students, not surprisingly, from this year in this class. Class 5, 2018-19 is the best. Don't forget to drink water or wear your seatbelt. Bye. Goodbye, everyone.
Don't forget to drink water.